Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Volente area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Cedar Park's Volente area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park Texas Volente service, body repair service estimate. As a vehicle owner, it is your duty to seek professional help for auto repair services whenever needed. This is because the advanced technologies employed in vehicles requires a professionally trained mechanic to correct them if the need arises, and seeking unskilled help may do more harm than good. While we might think that referring to an instruction manual is all we need to get the basics right in our vehicle, it's always better to visit an auto repair shop, as one step gone wrong can wreak havoc over the complete functioning of your vehicle. You can get certified auto repair shops that would. It is best to look for a company that has extensive experience in this industry, and which has a legacy of customer satisfaction. When it comes to something as expensive and important as a vehicle, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Along with regular servicing and maintenance, there are several other services that can be performed by an auto repair shop. The need for auto collision repair is one of the worst nightmares for any vehicle owner. However, with the dependable services of professional mechanics being accessible to you, you can restore your vehicle back to being as good as new, without having to spend a fortune. It is important to ensure that all the equipment, paints, frames, etc., used are of the best quality, and that the auto repair shop has the necessary infrastructure, such as humidity control, needed for the process. If you love your set of wheels and would like to indulge in some extravagant care, as for those inevitable scratches and dents that every vehicle owner has to face at some point, it is equally important to ensure that they are corrected using top-quality services. You can save a lot of money by choosing advanced touch-up techniques and buffing methods with no swirl guarantee, which saves the need for a repaint. The service of paintless dent repair, PDR, found at some auto repair shops is also a fantastic way to get perfect vehicle exteriors on a budget. Make sure that the service is performed by well-trained PDR technicians. You can also benefit from a host of additional vehicle repair services depending on your needs, which include interior and upholstery repair, and windshield repair. A professional auto repair shop is one place that you definitely won't regret driving your vehicle into. Body collision repair near my house for Cedar Park, Texas Volente. Check out a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Volente area to get your truck back on the road with haste. This is a page on auto body shop in Cedar Park Volente. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.